I'm an evening grosbeak. Y'all know I'm a pretty bad bird. Glutton of the backyard bird feeder. I'm a pretty killer bird to look at. Check out my awesome unibrow.
You know you love it.
Being the most interesting bird in the world has its privileges. I'm a pretty big deal. Yeah, that's right. 2012 ABA Bird of the Year. There's even a contest going on right now. Submit your photos, video, artwork, and whatever you can email. Chicks dig writing poetry about me, so you can do that too. You could win some pretty cool stuff like binoculars, bird feeders, and books. The deadline is October 31st, so get your entries in now before some other pathetic loser of a bird takes my place. Are you a member of the ABA? You should be, like me. Nighty-night.